Nami 11 ka design, no, or ka sukod sa 3-bedroom. So this one's 103 square meters.
103.
103 square meters. So
103.
shoe cabinet included na siya.
Okay.
And then here you have the very big balcony.
Wow.
So pwede ka mo gawas din.
Connected saya ang balcony.
So,
Oh, nice katong view, guys. Oh. Oh.
so muna kung
separate di
ginanasyon,
ay.
no? Sa parent,
Condenser.
kana siya diha muna siya ang sa condenser. So you have the balcony sa living area and then balcony sa master's bedroom.
Okay. Yes. Pila sa nimo?
This one is 35 to 40 million.
35 to 40.
But apil na ang duha ka parking.
Oh, free ang to parking.
Full
Nice.
yung parking.
Manahan lagi kong puyo ani.
Included na sa ang kitchen island.
Apil eh.
Yes, apil
Wow.
na siya with a base cabinet and then overhead with range hood and also counter. Okay.
And also
ang
ref.
third room, ano siya ang third room? It's
Room
like a
ni siya?
den. Oo. Den room siya. You can, you have the option na himo siyang home office or like mini gym nimo.
Pila ka aircon ang free ani mo?
I think 3.
Tulo.
1, 2, and 4.
Kaning kuan ma'am, apil sa ni sa free dapat.
Wow. Wala, daghan na kayo free ha.
Dili na siya Japanese concept kung wala ana.
Wow. Sige, Ari sir. So this is the second room. So if you have kids, no, pwede sila diri included na ang wardrobe na cabinet. And then the common toilet and bath. No, issue kayo.
Oh,
Two
di
brands
lagi ni
gihapon.
separate lagi.
So common toilet and bath. So diri mo na
Masters ni?
bedroom, included ang wardrobe. And then we also have another
Balcony na pud.
balcony here.
So balik tulo ka balcony tanan.
Hog shop, duha ra sir.
Condenser tang usa.
Condenser man to dito.
Okay.
And then for the 3-bedroom, it comes with a bathtub.
Oy.
So Japanese concept, pero sa nila yung bathtub.
Mm.
Isa maghigoy ba?
Kuan gud nila kanang ganan sila hot ba?
Yes.
Free ang bed.
No. Maybe ikaw magpa-free sa imong client. Hindi ako mag-commissionan.
Agoy.
And then ashay maid's quarter or you can use it as pantry.
Oh, na pa din nakatago nga room
Apil
gud.
nakatago there.
Wow. Apil na ni cabinet.
Wala na siya appeal.
Wala day apil.
Yeah. And then naasad sila ilahang own toilet and bath and shower.